detachment of meniscus from the capsule. And see, you can see the tibial surface. This is lateral end of lateral meniscus. This is the medial end. This is ACL. So we are doing outside and so we are taking another bite. This is the needle. This has gone inside and see, here is the needle. So we are taking another bite. This suture is proline. So we are exchanging threads now. We are exchanging the threads. So you can see. We have exchanged the threads and both.
Two loops going from the capsule into the meniscus and then coming out from the meniscus to outside of the capsule.